Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Designed as a high-tech dream on wheels, the 2026 BRABUS Hybrid Motorhome is a groundbreaking combination of premium car tuning expertise and the changing needs of intelligent and sustainable mobile living. This hypothetical product promises an unmatched experience of power, refinement, and technical sophistication, extending BRABUS's well-known proficiency in performance augmentation and custom luxury beyond high-performance cars into the recreational vehicle market. The 2026 BRABUS Hybrid Motorhome would have the forceful elegance that is synonymous with the BRABUS brand on the outside. It would be significantly customized with BRABUS's unique aerodynamic body modifications, larger custom alloy wheels, and a purposeful posture, all while being built on a sturdy, probably Mercedes-Benz commercial chassis. The design would probably use carbon fiber accents, which are a hallmark of BRABUS's lightweight and high-performance philosophy, and add to both efficiency and beauty. With integrated daytime running lights and maybe adjustable LED matrix headlights that exude modern dynamism, the lighting signature would be distinctive. In contrast to more functional motorhomes, the overall shape would be sleek and aggressive while still allowing for a roomy interior. This motorhome's hybrid design shows its dedication to cutting-edge powertrain technology. A highly advanced hybrid system would be expected, probably consisting of a strong internal combustion engine, tuned for BRABUS-level performance, a sturdy electric motor, and a sizable battery pack, in addition to improved fuel economy and lower emissions. This would allow for silent, all-electric operation over long distances, which would be perfect for arriving at campsites in peace or navigating low-emission urban areas. Its eco-credentials would be further enhanced by integrating clever energy management technologies with regenerative braking. The interior of the 2026 BRABUS Hybrid Motorhome would genuinely represent the high-tech dream and the height of luxury on wheels. The best materials, such as hand-stitched Alcantara, fine leather, carbon fiber inlays, and polished aluminum accents, all hallmarks of BRABUS interiors, would be used to painstakingly build each surface. The layout would be extremely adaptable and intended to provide a customized quality of life. This might include a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line, energy-efficient appliances, a luxurious master suite with an en-suite bathroom with spa-like facilities, and a modern living space with movable seating. The motorhome would be a moving exhibition of technological advancement. Everything in the car would be controlled by an easy-to-use, integrated digital control system, possibly controlled by voice commands or a central touchscreen. This would include entertainment, diagnostics, ambient lighting, and climate control. Regardless of location, smooth communication and entertainment would be guaranteed by advanced connectivity features including satellite internet and powerful 5G capabilities. Additionally, anticipate state-of-the-art driver assistance technologies that are modified for larger cars in order to improve safety and lessen driver fatigue. In order to ensure long-term off-grid capabilities, the high-tech dream would also include creative power solutions, possibly such as integrated solar panels and a high-capacity energy storage system. The 2026 BRABUS Hybrid Motorhome would essentially be more than just a vehicle. It would be a mobile haven that offers an unwavering combination of luxury, performance, and environmental awareness, establishing a new standard for luxury recreational vehicles. It would be made for the discriminating person who, even when going on an adventure, expects the highest level of automotive quality.